You, sir, are officially incognito. Nobody's bothered.
Hello, friends. Look at this. Red, green, yellow. Wow. Super Lightning McQueen. Wow. Monster Truck Lightning McQueen.
Wow.
Super. Wow. It is red.
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. Share it right there.
Wow. It is Raoul. Lightning McQueen. Green. Wow. Mr. King.
Hey, buddy, you're a one gutsy racer.
Oh, hey, Mr. the King.
You got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars has got in their.
Tomato. Search.
The pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road!
Well, that's gonna...
Doc Hudson.
You quit.
Doc? Guys, you're here! I can't believe this!
Jackson Storm.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, Jackson Storm, right? Great.
Wow. Yellow. Wow.
White wall tires. They say, look at me. Here I am. Love me.
Monster Truck Quiz. Yeah.
Yes, I do!
Miss Fruiter. Wow.
Up there. How'd you like to become the new face of Dynaco?
Cruz Ramirez.
Mine are named Maria, Juanita, Ronaldo, and Debbie Richardson.
What?
Long story.
May I have my tires back so I can go on the simulator, please?
Hello friends, let's find Disney Pictures cars in the pool. Yeah, let's go. Wow, eerie. Next. Jackson Storm.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, Jackson Storm, right? Great.
Look at this. Lightning McQueen.
That you may find unpleasant.
It's a Class 1 gray alien!
Wow. Tomato?
Request acknowledged.
Shoot, I didn't mean...
Request acknowledged.
Wow, oh my god. Dynamic Lightning McQueen. Look at this. Cheeks.
Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come the only one celebrating is me, huh? Where
Wow, red.
Red?
Doc Hudson.
Your engines!
Tractor. Dynamic King.
Was one close finish. You sure made Dynaco proud. Thank you, King.
Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's
Wow. Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Look at this, guys. Raoul. Let's cars. Yeah. Cois Ramirez.
Kinda named Maria, Juanita, Ronaldo, and Debbie Richardson.
What?
Long story.
May I have my tires back so I can go on the simulator, please?
Birthday! Ah! They're emptying him! Wow! Congratulations!
Hello, friends. Wow, look at this. Yeah, perfect. Let's cleaning Disney Pictures cars. Yeah. Let's go. Wow, Cruz Ramirez.
Yes, I do!
Look at this. Frank. Jackson Storm. Let's go.
Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, Jackson Storm, right? Great.
Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Dynamic Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Tractor. Wow. Oh my god. Tomato.
Deploying shield.
Look at this. Miss fruit there. Yeah. Chris Ramirez. Sharif.
He's shooting at me! Why is he shooting at me? I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow up.
Who's next? Red. Let's go.
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. There, right there.
Yeah. Fillmore.
I'm telling you, man. Everything.
Lightning McQueen.
Ramon, you have done it again.
It's like the Sistine Chapel.
Wow.
Look at me.
Yeah. Mack.
Have you seen the latest?
Look at this. Dynamic King. Evie.
Whoa! Look at you! How do you feel?
Look at this. Jackson Storm.
Why should I care?
Because now she's in the top 10.
Okay.
Wow. Lightning McQueen. Who's next? Tomato?
It's the American spy!
Yardley.
Dynaka Lightning McQueen. Check Hicks.
Ka-chika, ka-chika. Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come the only one celebrating is me, huh? Where the...
Race car. For our boss, Hudson. Yeah.
Your engines!
Look at these guys. Wow. Hello friends. Look at this. Wow, Disney Pictures cars. Wow, it is Raoul. Sharif.
Your engines!
Wow. Jackson Storm.
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. Enjoy your retirement.
Oh no!
Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Dynaka Lightning McQueen. Wow. Tomato. Who's next? Mack.
Thank the manufacturer you're alive!
Mack?
You're here! I can't believe.
Cruz Ramirez.
We gotta get her out there! Let's go!
Check fuel!
Check! Ramon! Best I could do in the time frame, boss.
Yeah. Wow. Red.
Ooh, Red, you missed a spot. Stare it right there.
Frank.
He's going to get you!
Miss Fruiter. Monster Truck Quiz.
Yes, I do!
Wow. Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Let's cars. Ooh.
I'm telling you, man. Everything.
Bye bye. Hello friends, let's find Disney purchase cars. Let's go. Look at this. Wow. This is Frank. Tomato. Wow, 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 wow. Sharif.
He's shooting at me! Why is he shooting at me? I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow up.
Let's go. Look at this, guys. This monster truck Tomato.
Whoa, we're coming
Wow. Follow me, guys. Yeah. Tractor. Who is it? Smoker?
Yeah, all right, Mr. Sterling.
Whoa! Hang on now.